two brothers were spending a delightful afternoon in their home garden. The lush greenery around them added to the charm as they laughed and played with Balin. While chasing the balloon in its playful mood, the kitten accidentally found its way outside the house, full of curiosity and excitement. The balloon drifted onto the road, catching the kitten's attention. In its playful attempt to grab the balloon, the kitten darted out, unaware of the approaching car. The balloon drifted further along, almost as if leading the kitten into danger. Before it could stop, the car struck the kitten, and the joyful moment turned into a heartbreaking accident. The playful chase had ended in a tragic scene, leaving the garden silent with shock. The kitten, tears streaming down its face, carefully carried its brother, limp and injured, in its tiny paws. With determination and heartache, it rushed towards the hospital, the weight of its siblings. Finally, the kitten, exhausted but resolute, reached the hospital with its injured brother. The kitten gently placed its brother on the examination table, its eyes wide with worrying and fear. Despite its small size, the kitten had shown incredible strength, determined to get its sibling the help. Despite all the effort and determination, the kitten couldn't save its brother. After all the hard work and countless tears, it stood there helpless as the life left its sibling. His pain was unbearable. The kitten's heart broke into a million pieces as it cried, the soft mews echoing in the silent room. Every bit of its love and energy had been poured into the fight, but in the end, it wasn't enough. The kitten lay next to its brother, its sorrow consuming it as tears streamed down its face, mourning the loss of its closest companion.